Alright, so this is an experiment. I'm taking some of the leftover pulp and seeds from the Cornelian Cherry dogwood and threw some sugar on the top. Now I got my trusty cheapo vodka and I'm gonna pour some on here, and then we're gonna let this sit for like maybe 2 days, kind of shake it up, or not shake it up, but just, you know, kind of tip it maybe, and then do that every couple days and give it a few days and see, I don't know, maybe like 2-3 weeks, and see what comes out, and then I'll probably strain it, and hopefully it'll be a tasty liqueur. We'll see. Okay, so these have been sitting now for about 6 weeks, and we're going to strain them. I did open one and smell it. It smells great, so hopefully it's going to be cool. We'll give it a shot with our handy dandy cloth, a strainer, and a bowl, and we'll get all the liqueur out that way, and we'll see what it comes out like. Okay, so we got it strained out and put into these nice little glass bottles. I actually got these when I was a college student. My friends and I were kind of notorious dumpster divers, and we frequently found cool stuff to take home. And in the one of the chemical engineering labs, they were throwing these out. They were brand new. They were in the original like cardboard boxes, never been used, and they were just so cool. They had like the different kind of acids and different kinds of, you know, all these chemical names and stuff on the glasses. So we kept these. I've since lost most of them because they do break after a while, but they're really cool. So anyway, that's a separate side story. But here is the drink, and wow, guys, all I can say is that I only wish I had done more. So next year I will certainly be taking all of the leftover pulp and doing something similar, because this came out amazing. The taste is pretty much like a cherry liqueur. It's delicious. I mean, it's really, really good. Very sweet, a little bit tart. Yeah, I can imagine this being really nice, like on a cold winter's day, especially if you have like a sore throat or something, just like a little shot of this. Yeah, it really came out great. I'm not a huge proponent of alcohol, so I mean, from a health standpoint, I'm sure it's not the best thing in the world, but this at least has some vitamin C and, you know, the antioxidants from the Cornelian Cherry dogwood. So yeah, big success, came out great, and looks great. I think it would make a nice gift. Put it in a nice bottle and give it to somebody as a gift. So yeah, thumbs up from me, hopefully from you as well. If you did like it, remember to like the video and yeah, share and subscribe, and I'll see you back in the next one. Thanks, bye.